Hello everyone. In this tutorial I am going to tell you how to show Windows Powershell and Windows Powershell admin options in this Windows Power menu instead of command prompt and command prompt admin. So if you are thinking, well, what is Power menu? Then it is this list of options that Windows shows you when you right click at the left lower corner of your screen. You can also bring this Windows Power menu by clicking Windows button plus X. So usually Windows shows command prompt and command prompt admin options here, but some people prefer Microsoft PowerShell rather than command prompt. PowerShell is a command line utility using which you can automate various tasks in Windows. To enable the PowerShell option in the Windows Power menu, you should go to the taskbar and here you should right click. This will bring all these options and click on this taskbar settings. This will open this settings window. You can open this window by going to settings followed by personalization. And here you will see all these options, and here is taskbar. Click on the taskbar and there is our option. Replace command prompt with Windows PowerShell in the menu when I right click the start button or press the Windows key plus X. So you should now click to toggle this on. And now you can just go and check by right clicking on the lower left corner, and here it is Windows PowerShell and Windows PowerShell admin. So that is all about this video. If you found this video helpful and interesting, please click on the like button. Also don't forget to share and subscribe to this channel. If you have any question or if you have any suggestions, comment it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. See you soon.